standard negation with.
不，
Level, HSK1. Use, negating verbs, adjectives, and habitual actions.
不，
Is generally used to negate verbs in the present or future, or to talk about what you do not do as a habit. It can also negate adjectives. 1. Negating a verb.
不，
Is placed before the verb. Structure, subject plus.
不，
Plus verb plus object. Examples. I do not eat meat.
我不吃肉，
We do not drink water.
我们不喝水，
He does not work.
他不工作，
I will not go to work tomorrow.
我明天不上班，
He will not go to Beijing.
他不会去北京。
2. Negating an adjective. The structure with an adjective is basically the same as the one with a verb. Structure, subject plus.
不，
Plus adjective. Example. They are not bad kids.
他们不是坏孩子，
This apple is not good.
这个苹果不好，
That room is not big.
那个房间不大，
He is not busy today.
他今天不忙。
Note.
不，
Is used for negation in the present and future, while.
没，
Is used for negation in the past. Remember to use.
没，
To negate the verb.
有，
Summary use.
不，
To negate verbs and adjectives in the present and future. It also expresses habits or refusal. Do not use.
不，
With.
有，
Instead use.
没。